You're currently looking at a location in Second Life, a setup for Halloween, and as I zoom in, you will see a number of people standing there called avatars. Those are all people at their computers. And this avatar in particular is our avatar called Stiletto Moody. She represents the fashion brand, the virtual goods fashion brand and game Stiletto Moody that makes clothes, shoes, jewelry, lingerie, etc. Now, in Second Life, you navigate to different locations in the world. It is a world just like the real world, but to get to locations rather than drive, you would teleport. So let's teleport to the Stiletto Moody store. Stiletto Moody Boutique is one boutique amongst tens of thousands, just like in the real world, where we compete for and market our brand to customers to both draw them to this location as well as buy our products. To find us, they can look at adverts on the website. They can read blogs from the thousands of bloggers we support and market to. They can read press releases. They can read. They can look at adverts throughout the world and a number of different other methods of locating us via an extensive network of marketing. We'll wait until she arrives at the location. At times, due to bandwidth problems in Australia, it can be a little slow, and we're experiencing that right now while we wait for the location to arrive, or rather us to arrive at the location. I'll try again. And there we are at the Stiletto Moody Boutique. Landing at the entrance, you'll notice that due to the internet, things take time to draw or res. As you can see, they come into focus broadly. And if I take a zoom up from up above, you will notice you are in a store that has multiple rooms and displays. And on each displays, you've got tens of products. The total store and all its different rooms will have thousands of different products, each one of them made and marketed and sold to avatars who arrive and come and buy our shoes. I'm going to show you that experience briefly by taking you to one of the latest designs and creations by Stiletto Moody, and I will walk down to that display right now. And when you arrive at that display, you will notice there are a display of shoes, all of them resing, and I will look at one particular product and will buy that product. So I pay for this particular product. It asks for Linden dollars of $1,699. I pay them, and up here in the top right corner it is offering me the box, which I then accept, and it arrives in my inventory and I keep that box. Okay, I will go to another location that is irrelevant, but I would now like to open that location, open that box, and consume the product. Having purchased the product, I look for the box in my inventory. And there it is. And I put the box down on the floor or a table as I may have. And the box, including the product, is now has now been paid for and is standing ready to open. I click on the box, and as you will see, it offers to unpack it. I know she has a small foot, bizarrely enough, and we say small size to unpack. It is unpacking them. I am receiving them. Those are the buttons I included. I have clicked, and I now look for inventory for Deco, which is here in inventory. It is a product, a shoe for each foot. and the black denotes that I have just put them on my, or rather her, avatar's foot. So, looking at Stiletto Moody, the avatar again, you will notice that she now wears the beautiful deco latest fashion creation from Stiletto Moody, known by its brand, by its undersole heart logo, and those shoes have a multitude of different features. The features include changing colors of buckles, changing nail polish, changing colors. Let's make the shoe color she wants, for instance, black and gold, and let's make sure that her nail polish is in fact red, and so on and so forth. This is a product that is consumed and used daily by the consumers who buy our thousands of different shoes. Now, the one way that these can be bought is at the boutique, and you saw us teleport to just the Stiletto Moody boutique, one boutique among thousands. As you might imagine, a world looks like the real world. It has thousands of boutiques and thousands of brands to whom we all have to market. The boutique is simply marketing we haven't included in the claim, but really it has no purpose other than to display the products. The other way to buy the product would be to navigate to the Second Life website. So here we are at our internet browser. Let's type in www.secondlife.com. We are waiting for that to arrive. There we are, their website. Let's go shopping. Marketplace. And sorry, this morning the internet seems to be slow, so you will excuse my brief pauses as we talk. And let's search for, in this website, as you'll notice, for instance, in apparel, these are all the categories of products that are available for sale in Second Life. We might have women's clothing, of which there are nearly 500,000 items, and in women's footwear, I think on that market there's about 58,000. Let's look for the store of our brand, Stiletto Moody. I think they just gather them, they call it a store, but really, just as you can see, there are products here from multiple brands, and those multiple brands are available to be bought. Here then is an example of one product of ours, a boot, a description and a way of buying it, and all the marketing and promotion that goes towards supporting that product on the website. Or we might just search for any instance of Stiletto Moody at the Marketplace website in order to find products. And here once again are some of the different shoes offered by just our brand, amongst many thousands of brands, for sale, for purchase. And should I buy one, the product I click on here and buy will arrive as a boxed item, just like the previous one, in this world here for this avatar who purchased it to wear again. So I hope that explains a little further how a product is sold in Second Life amongst many hundreds of thousands of competing products by many tens of thousands of different designers and brands, and the different options for buying it, whether it be inside the Second Life virtual world or at the website. Thank you.